Step 1. Organize all guide rail components according to video. Step 2. Remove original vehicle bolts. Step 3. Position the tailgate guide rail, aligning its mounting holes with factory receptacles. Pre-assemble washers onto bolts and tighten to fix them. Repeat identically for the opposite section. Step 4. Press lock the latch in position and rotate to secure. Then insert quick release screws into adjustable locations and tighten nuts.